Hey guys, welcome back. This is how to integrate ConvertKit with Hustle Pro. So guys, I made this table over here so we can dive in deeper. So this is a step-by-step guide, so just simply follow along. First, just simply open your web browser, guys, and just simply go to your WordPress dashboard. And after that, on the left side of the screen, just simply go ahead and go to the plugins. And after that, just make sure to add a new plugin is selected. And from there, guys, in the search bar, just simply go ahead and type in Hustle and just simply go ahead and hit search. And from there, click on the Hustle when it appears as the first option. And after that, just simply click the install and then activate on the right side. And after that, guys, just simply wait for the plugin to be installed. And once you are done, just simply go ahead and click on back to plugins at the top left. And after that, just simply go ahead and scroll down the left panel. And from there, just simply find the hustle so you can complete the integration. And after that, just simply provide all of the necessary information needed in order to proceed. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.